Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Pro Max 16 driver. Okay, so first you have to come this site www.dell.com. After that, click support and driver and download. Then enter the model number of your system, Dell Pro Max 16. Then type premium. Okay, after that it will search. Yeah, so scroll down. There are two options. First, automatic means when you click check for update, so it will scan required driver install. But if you are facing some issues related only specific folder, so specific driver, so select the driver. Then click and categorize, and this is your system, and click to categorize. Scroll down, go to network, Ethernet and wireless option. This is and this is a Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. So you can see it is completed. Okay, and just single click to open, then click to yes, and then continue. Now this is installing. So Wi-Fi driver is successfully installed, and then close it.